Hi guys and gals, Froggy here. I wasn't going to do this today because I didn't think I'd have time, but it looks so easy that I guess I will do that. This is my C6 Z06 and that's the stock rear sway bar, and you can see they actually have done something from the factory that a lot of guys do aftermarket. Put some collars on there so that the bar won't move that much left to right. I never worried about it too much, but maybe there is a point to doing that. I'm not going to be able to do that now because this is my T1 bar, rear bar. But I'm gonna switch it out because it's only 4 bolts on the rubber bushings and then 4 bolts on the ends, on the links. So I'm going to do this real quick now. Okay, so I undid this top of the link here, that goes through a control arm, so I'm going to make sure I torque that. I'm going to torque them all, except, on the end links I'll just go good and tight, maybe 45 or 50 on those pounds. And now we're loose, it should come off. Well, okay, so here's some data for you. This is the T1 bar on the top. I think this is high def enough, you can read all that. And that is the 2013 C6Z with the collars, original equipment collars on the bottom. And you will note that the OEM bar is a touch thicker than the T1 bar, which is also a GM bar, of course. However, the GM bar has 2 extra holes to shorten it up, and making it shorter makes it stiffer. So in the ballpark, I would say the T1 bar on the outside hole is probably the equivalent of the C6Z bar. Maybe the middle hole, maybe in between the middle hole and the outside hole, I don't know. But anyway, the short hole is definitely going to make it stiffer than the Z06 bar. I am going to try it on the middle hole for now, since as you guys and gals know, if you watch the other video, I do have the great big monster blue bar on the front of this car already. So as you can see, it does not, well, it kind of clears the mufflers by a hair, I would say. But if I put some longer links in there, the adjustable links, then this will, where my foot is touching, it will twist down and probably give me almost a 1/4 inch. I just need to twist the bar down a little bit by raising the length of the links up a little bit, and I don't think that'll hurt anything for one event, but I'd put it on my to-do list. I've got to knock this off right now. Okay, so there it is. Definitely touching the mufflers. I don't know how much of a noise that'll make. The car's pretty loud when it's under full acceleration, so I don't think I'll probably hear anything at all. But these are rubber mounted up above there, if you can see it. So they will bounce a bit. They're designed to bounce a bit. And like I said, I'll just put a longer link on there. That'll change the bar characteristics a little bit, but I've got one more hole to go to tighten up the rear if I need to tighten up the rear. And that twisting will give me some clearance here. Plus the bar itself may make a little clearance by hitting this piece of muffler. So that's about it. I'm going to wrap it up. Give me a thumbs up or like. This helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy. And I got to get the autocross wheels on this and get it ready for the weekend. So, see you later. Froggy out. Bye. Oh, torque specs. about 50 on that one, about 70 here, and about 50, 55 on those links. Whoops, wrong thing, on the link right here. And if you happen to notice, there's a grease fitting on the tie rod end on the rear of this car. So I don't know how you get a torque spec on that, really, because there's no way to hold that piece except with a very small 8mm socket. So, and then how do you get your torque wrench on there unless you use some kind of crow's foot or something? So anyway, I just put it good and tight. See ya. Bye.